We have Anushi with us, who's talking about Hindustan Aeronautics in a little more detail. It's the stock of the morning. The company is bagged over 62,000 crore orders. Anushi, give us more details of these orders and the timelines of execution as well.
Hey, morning, Tamanna. It's a big update that we have seen for Hindustan Aeronautics coming through the weekend. Now, what they have done, what the Defense Ministry has signed two contracts worth, order worth about 62,700 crores. So it's a big update coming for HAL, since this is also one of the biggest procurement order that they have received from Ministry of Defense. If you are seeing what is this order for, they have signed a contract for supply of 156 light combat helicopters, Prachand, and this marks, as we mentioned, a single biggest procurement by Ministry of Defense till date. This includes supply of 66 light combat helicopters to Indian Air Force along with 90 light combat helicopters to the Indian Army. In terms of where the execution lies, the supply shall commence from the third year and will be spread out for the next 5 years as well. What stands out along with the kind of big order that the company has received is the order book positioning for FY25, in which they have clocked an order book of 1.84 lakh crore. This is at the end of FY25 figure that we are looking at, which is a 95% of a jump from last year's figure of around 94,000 crore. A couple of new orders that they received over the year include new manufacturing contracts of about 1.02 lakh crore, along with repair and overhaul contracts worth about 17,500 crores. In terms of where the revenue is concerned, now there were a couple of supply chain issues regarding the engines, which the company also came out with an update on Thursday, Friday itself. The revenue was flat at 30,400 crore for the year, but they had faced shortfall in their deliveries of light combat aircraft and advanced light helicopters. This was due to non-availability of engines for LCA and grounding of fleet, which took place in January 2025 due to an accident which occurred for advanced light helicopters. So the revenue on that front has remained flat, but FY26 is a year that the company expects to make a stronger comeback. In terms of the recent updates also, we have seen GE Aerospace delivering about first of 99 F404 engines for the company, which was a significant development. Considering all these, there are a couple of brokerage notes which came out which remain bullish on the stock. This includes UBS on HAL, which see a 30% of an upside, and JP Morgan sees a 19% upside on the stock. So this is the overall picture that we are seeing for Hindustan Aeronautics and why it's in focus today.